In the heart of a colorful candy shop called Sweet Street Delights, nestled between gummy bears and rainbow lollipops, lived a chocolate bar named Charlie. Charlie wasn't just any chocolate, he was wrapped in shiny gold foil, with a smile that could melt even the sourest lemon drops. He had a sweet heart, a soft center, and one simple rule: always tell the truth, even when it's hard. The other candies liked Charlie, but sometimes they didn't quite understand him. When Jelly Bean Joe exaggerated stories about his jump from the top shelf, Charlie would quietly say, "That sounds a bit too high, Joe." When Lollipop Lucy claimed she never made a mess in the candy drawer, Charlie gently admitted, "I saw the sprinkles rolling yesterday." He wasn't trying to embarrass anyone. He just believed truth is better than sugarcoating lies. One sunny afternoon, the shop was buzzing. It was Candy Contest Day, and every sweet treat had a chance to win the golden ribbon for Best Candy of the Year. The candies lined up nervously. Each would be tasted by Miss Penny, the candy shop owner, who had the final say. As Charlie stood in line, he noticed something strange. Gummy Greg, who was next in line, looked worried. His gummy coating had started to melt in the heat, and he whispered to Charlie, "If I don't win today, I'll be taken off the shelf forever." Charlie felt a tug in his heart. Then something happened. Greg accidentally stepped on his own gummy foot and fell. His piece broke off and rolled across the floor. "Oh no," Greg gasped. "If Miss Penny sees me like this, she'll never choose me." Greg looked at Charlie and whispered, "Please, let me hide behind you so she doesn't see." Charlie paused. He looked at Greg, then looked at Miss Penny getting closer. His mind raced. He didn't want Greg to be taken away. But he also knew hiding the truth wasn't right. So when Miss Penny reached them, Charlie cleared his throat and said kindly, "Miss Penny, something happened." Greg had a little accident. He didn't mean to, but he's a little broken. Greg lowered his eyes. He expected to be scolded, or worse, removed from the shelf. But Miss Penny just knelt down, smiled warmly, and said, "Thank you, Charlie. Honesty is the sweetest thing of all." Then she gently picked up Greg and said, "And don't worry, Greg. A little crack doesn't make you less special." That day, Charlie didn't win Best Candy of the Year, but he won something even better, Miss Penny's Golden Heart Award for honesty. And Greg, he got a second chance. Miss Penny made him into mini gummy snacks so he could bring smiles to even more kids. From that day on, the candies didn't laugh at Charlie's honesty anymore. In fact, they began to follow his lead. Even Jelly Bean Joe admitted he never really jumped from the top shelf because Charlie had shown them that telling the truth wasn't something to be afraid of. It was something to be proud of.